sewing.
Okay, so what I'm doing is, thank you for my needle.
Do you want it? Okay.
Yes, can't thread my own needle because I can't see the darn eye. So,
Look, we're working on it. There's a mosquito eater.
So I am sewing in because I tried so many other ways. And
Fucking moth in my eye, sorry.
It's a van, so I couldn't find
Mosquito.
any
Killed
other
it.
way to
Sorry.
get our bug screen into the van.
As you can see from the live display, it's very necessary.
It is very necessary to have a bug screen in the van so that we can have the windows open.
It will make our life much better. Oh, killed it. Sorry.
Okay, no
Another one for the
bug
wins.
carcasses on the roof.
I killed it. It fell onto the
Oh
ground.
man, that's even worse. I don't want corpses
We'll clean it up. I throw them out.
Anyway, so this is what I'm doing.
Sorry for killing bugs in the middle of your video.
Right, we're trying to be cruelty free. So we're making a screen, and then it's going to go all the way around. And then we're going to have this whole nice little bug screen. We'll be able to open all the windows behind, and we'll be able to sleep in peace.
Yay!